What's up, everyone? Here with an unboxing of my new camera. Now, this camera is not new, but one of the reasons why I went with this one and not the FX30 was I have the Sony A7S3, right? It has great rolling shutter, 4K 120, 4K 60 with no crop, right? So I have the A7 IV. 4K 60 with a crop, not an issue. But it has that focus breathing compensation for all the primary lenses I use to do this video right here. So basically, this camera is like both of those into one, right? I got the functionality that, really needed for certain shots as far as 4K 120, 4K 60, great rolling shutter, right? But with the software update that this got, it got the focus breathing compensation to it. So I can use my prime lenses with no big problem. So let's go and get to this unboxing. Now the FX30 is a little cheaper, and I was really leaning towards that one, but then I stepped back and thought about it. I was like, yeah, I need a third camera because I just brought video to the podcast. So if I have an interview and I got two cameras, unlimited, record times, no overheating problems with the SS3 and the FX3, so it all works out. All right, let's get to this unboxing. So you can see, okay, we got USB-C to USB-A. Yeah. Is that for the computer though? Sony literature. Okay. And I'm gonna be honest with you, I got this camera because I always loved the look of it from the beginning. So I wanted this camera for a while, and I just love the look of it. I do, I ain't gonna fake it to you. That's why the FX30 was looking so good until I just really decided to invest a little bit more into the camera. This is kind of a refresher, because with the A7 IV you didn't get this. You did not get this, so more than welcome. What's this? This is the camera. Okay, so what is this? Oh, this is the handle. Okay. I wonder if my Sennheiser MKH50 fits in here. I might need a rubber. Or not, maybe. We'll have to wait and see. So this is the how about to say love handles. This is an XLR module. Got two inputs here. I don't really shoot like with a mic on my cameras. I got like an external microphone like right here. So when I get into streaming, I could just connect the XLR mic and stream from here with the camera and the audio coming out at the same time, instead of having a separate audio interface and a microphone that had to sync it up. Kind of like limits all that. So let me put that here. Okay. And then what's this? This is a power cord for the power battery charger. So, okay. What we got? That's it? Okay. Let's go and get into this camera. Got some weight to it, I'll tell you that much. Uh-oh, got one more thing here. Battery. And, that looks like it's it. I'm a little disappointed with the box, because when you get like the Sony A7S3 or the A7 IV, got a fancy little orange and black box. This one is just a plain old cardboard looking one. I think this is the European. Okay, this is the battery. Okay, took that right there. All right, let's get to the All right. As you can see, I already got stuff on the screen, so I can't really compare right there because I'm actually shooting with it. But as you can see, there's no viewfinder. Flip out screen, of course. Has a built-in fan, so overheating shouldn't be an issue. They got a software coming out for this camera for shutter angle and something else, but it's not available till September. And Sony always had a problem with software updates. I remember when I got a Blu-ray player years ago when they first came out and they had the little Wi-Fi ones you can get the software update. It used to take forever for software updates to come for those things. So I'm not surprised when it comes to software updates with Sony because they always take forever. But I haven't even used this camera yet, so I don't know shutter angles. I'm about to start learning more about it. You know, I gotta get configurations the way I shoot with this camera in an A7S3. Let's see. I ain't got no memory card yet, so. And got the doors here. Like I said, it's basically an A7S3 as far as the so-called cinema line. And like I said, the reason why I went with this one, I have full frame lenses, which ain't an issue with the FX30, but I really was like, all right. It has the focus breathing compensation on here now, and I can use it for my prime lenses with no problem. And I still get 4K 120 with no crop, 4K 60 with no crop. So it's like, couldn't beat that. And because I use B-roll, so I can kind of take this off and use this handle. Does it come off or what? Because it's surely not going in there. Oh well, I don't want to break it. So, yes. This is a new camera that's going to help out with the podcast when it comes to interviews, B-roll, live streaming, you know, all that stuff. So, stay tuned for more. I'm going to shoot some video with this as I get my settings for it. And hopefully, all three of my cameras I got now all match up with the colors and everything else. And can't go wrong from there. Thank you guys for checking this video out. Hope you like it. See you in the next one.